Check out what we were given. It is an electric grill brush. Now, from the very beginning of this, I looked and I studied this a little bit, and let me show you stuff about it. First of all, this is the motor. Now, this is a very nice ergonomical handle right here, and this is the cleaning brush. This is 303 steel, so this is dishwasher safe. You can use it, put it in your dishwasher, and all that does is lock in right there. And all you do is you take this, lock it in right there, and that is a splash guard that's going to keep things from coming back and hitting you. Now, it does have a hole in the back of it right here that allows you to be able, if you wanted, to hang it in. It also comes with these fireproof gloves. They've got the silicone on them to keep it from slipping, and they're extra padded so you don't burn your hands. Now, it says when it's fully charged, whether it's a fast charge, you can go 2.5 to 3 hours worth of running time. So there is on that. Also, when you look, this is designed with 2 different speeds. Now it turns there and turns there. Now it does have an intelligent motor in it to where if you put a lot of pressure down on it, it's going to kick in a different gear. So we're going to start right here. As you can see, it's awful dirty. And we're going to put it on high. And you can see I'm pushing down pretty hard and it's staying right with it. And you can use the end of this, whatever you need it to do. But as you can see, this, depending on how you turn it, it's either going to run towards you or it's going to run the other way. And as you can see right here, it is starting to clean this up and make it look brand new compared to back here in the back where it's all crusty. So if you would love to have a rechargeable grill cleaner rather than the old brush that you push, you know, this one, rather than doing that, you got one of these, then get you one of these.